Welcome to a special edition of the Integration Scoop series presented by SAP and the Let's Talk Data podcast, where we explore game-changing technology and strategies with leading experts with the goal of achieving innovation through the integration of business applications and processes. If you haven't done so already, please follow or subscribe to our podcast on your favorite channel to stay tuned in. To hear more, please visit the Integration Scoop website in the show notes.
Hello, my name is Rachel Ballard. I'm a Total Economic Impact Consultant at Forrester, and we'll be talking about Forrester's TEI analysis on the impact that SAP's Integration Suite can have for companies. SAP's Integration Suite is an integration platform as a service, iPaas, tool that connects and automates business. It builds upon SAP's business process expertise to bring together comprehensive integration capabilities and best practices to accelerate and modernize integration. This helps customers achieve seamless business processes across disparate IT landscapes and business networks. If there's one question that we hear more than anything, it's how organizations improve a specific technology or process without overtaxing their technical teams or their budgets. So with regard to SAP Integration Suite, I'll walk through some of the key points that we discovered specific to customers' integration environments and the benefits derived from deploying the solution. So on that note, Forrester's TEI methodology is highlighted by the fact that we talk to customers about their deployments and the benefits they've actually seen. We're not just theorizing about the benefits companies could see from deploying SAP Integration Suite. If we could summarize our findings in one sentence, it would be that we found SAP Integration Suite deployments to enable new cloud-native applications to take advantage of the capabilities of existing systems and data and build a digital integration hub that opens up opportunities for tighter integration with customers. For the financial analysis specifically, we calculated a 278% return on investment, or ROI, and a payback period of less than 6 months. The customers we spoke to shared their experiences before and after their SAP Integration Suite deployment, including the challenges they were experiencing that drove the investment decisions to begin with, and the results experienced after making the switch to SAP Integration Suite. So here's what we heard on how SAP Integration Suite helped, and we can place them in 5 buckets. The first quantified benefit is cost savings from retiring on-prem legacy technology. So here interviewees reported that their organizations eliminated all costs related to legacy integration tool licenses, hosting, and maintenance services. They also cut the costs associated with performing multiple stages of testing during annual release upgrade cycles for the legacy tools. The second quantified benefit, efficiencies from using prepackaged SAP to SAP integration flows. Here, interviewees said they measured big improvements in project speed from using prepackaged SAP to SAP integration flows available on the SAP API Business Hub, and that integrated with SAP Integration Suite. For this benefit, Forrester assumed a reduction of 13 days to deploy one interface, and that 10 pre-built interfaces are available upon deploying SAP Integration Suite. One interviewee, a head of application and integrations, said, we're at least 5 times faster when using predefined integration packages from SAP. The third quantified benefit, cost savings from deploying ready-to-use e-government connectors. For this benefit, interviewers explained how in recent years, some countries legally required that their organizations report tax data through their respective government authorities. So organizations started implementing prepackaged B2G content available on SAP API Business Hub that SAP actually provided for free as part of the Integration Suite package. These government connectors allowed organizations to electronically submit invoice data to government systems. They also noted that development effort was entirely removed and that configuring each prepackaged connector was a simple task that required no more than 2 developer days to complete. The fourth quantifiable benefit, cost avoidance through improved DevOps processes. Here, interviewees reported that by leveraging SAP Integration Solution Advisory methodology, they could benefit from systematic approaches and best practices for a number of enterprise integration scenarios. Also, the updates to pre-built integrations and e-government content that SAP provided significantly reduced the need for integration development teams to spend time on updating integrations and applying changes to interfaces based on new or changing requirements. And finally, incremental revenue from new services, such as the ability for real-time integrations and data consolidation. These capabilities have allowed the interviewees to better handle outstanding invoice collections, improve back-end purchasing and ordering processes, and integrate online customers faster, which translates to increased net sales. A good example of this is the mobile app integration. One interviewee from a consumer products manufacturer described that the mobile app integration has driven revenue as it allows customers connecting to the organization's social selling platform to make payments in real time. So some additional ways SAP Integration Suite helps enterprises. By the way, we encourage you to read the full total economic impact study, as there were a few more benefits that SAP Integration Suite offered these companies. For example, connecting SAP applications with non-SAP applications. Interviewees noted that SAP Integration Suite served as a mediator between the old systems and the SAP ERP, as it was set up to connect to any new or legacy system. And likewise, connecting non-SAP applications with non-SAP applications. Here, interviewees reported that SAP Integration Suite creates integrations between non-SAP applications that allowed their organizations to establish data exchange between their third-party applications and non-SAP applications at partner organizations. Also, we have the integration developer's employee experience. Interviewees said that since rolling out SAP Integration Suite, employee morale and job satisfaction on the integration development teams have increased. And this is because developers do more meaningful work, achieve project success more quickly due to the ability to reuse code. And they also spend less time monitoring integrations or replicating data or fixing bugs. So in a nutshell, as a result of adopting SAP Integration Suite, organizations now have the ability to build digital ecosystems, innovate new business models, and leverage agile initiatives for more seamless data access and usage. And to wrap this up, in our analysis, we find that the adoption of SAP Integration Suite can save organizations nearly $1.5 million net value over a 3-year period when considering how this platform can promote team efficiencies and reduce administrative and technical overhead due to reliable integrations and access to prepackaged content and data. So bringing this around full circle, organizations will likely see an ROI of 278% over the course of 3 years. And you can find the more comprehensive study on SAP's website. Thank you so much for your time.
We hope you enjoyed the podcast. Please check out the show notes for additional links to information, and please subscribe or follow to join us on the next episode of the Integration Scoop, presented by SAP.